Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will take a look at data hiding. The attributes defined with double underscore prefix is not visible outside the class. So if you want to make a particular attribute, that is the class attribute, to be not visible outside the class, then you should have two underscore with the variable name. As there is no private public protected in Python, so this data hiding can be achieved by using double underscore. So let us take an example of this. Let's go to PyCharm, and they are also called private variables. Or data hiding. Okay, let me comment out the other code first. Okay, so let me define a class here, class A, and let me define initialize method here. Now I will define a variable called underscore underscore num is equal to 10. So that is self dot num is equal to 10. I will also define another variable here, okay, gnum is equal to 15. Okay, so let me define another method here, print values. Let me print the values here, print self dot gnum comma self dot num. Now let me create an object of class A, that is x is equal to A. X is an object of class A, x dot print values. Okay, let me execute this. Now I get 15 and 10. Now if I try to access this variable gnum and underscore underscore num directly outside the class, then I should get an error here. X dot underscore underscore gnum. Okay, print. Okay, so let me try executing this first. Okay, here it says A object has no attribute called gnum. By just adding underscore underscore, so we have made this variable private. Okay, so let me print instead of gnum just num underscore underscore num. Let me try executing that, and we get the same error. A object has no attribute called num. However, if I change this from underscore underscore to gnum, so I should be able to access it. Okay, let me execute this again. Okay, I should be able to access this. So just by adding underscore underscore, we can achieve data hiding in Python, and this is also called private variable. That is the end of this session. Thanks for watching.